What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at QQQ, SPY, and then tech stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix. I also have opened some plays on some of the tech stocks that I'll talk about, some of the plays that you already knew that I was going to take if certain situations arises. So I'll provide an update, what plays I took and what was my thinking process behind those, right? So, and all in all, we'll discuss the price action and what the market is doing. So with that, guys, please hit the like, subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. So let's start off with QQQ today. So, I have been talking about that QQQ is in the distribution phase, and we have been getting those sell-offs now, right? Today is a very little rebound. That's nothing. We still closed very weak. It's just 4 cents up today. That's not going to make any difference. I believe it's going to continue lower, and that's the play. That's pretty much the play. Any bounces on this are being sold off as well. Semiconductors have been strong today, and also Netflix, but not rest of the stocks. So QQQ is on the decline, and I think it's the next level can come down to is 421, and then also to 200 days moving average down there, and also through the level of 412. If I take you to the hourly interval on this, I'm not seeing any bullish sign right now on this thing. For this to show us any sign of bullishness, it needs to first recapture $435. If it can't do that, forget it. Okay, it can continue lower. SPY, let's take a look at it. So SPY is weaker than QQQ to begin with, and SPY is, you can see, falling, and that's what I have been saying, that SPY is also going in the distribution phase. All these things I have been talking about. And once we lost $518 level, guys, we have been rejecting underneath the 20 days moving average, and I have been saying this cool off will come, and we have been breaking level by level. On SPY, I'm watching 477 is a very likely possibility on this thing to come lower down there, okay? And then we'll see the price action, but that's something that can happen. On hourly interval, you can see that we really don't have anything happening in the benefit to the upside. SPY, if this week it can't regain anything above 510, it can't become bullish this week. It's just gonna keep heading lower and lower, in my opinion, okay? That's your SPY. Let's take a look at Microsoft. We are jumping into tech stocks now. So I talked about this position on Microsoft that I wanted to open after we broke this trend line on a good red candle. And I was talking about that if any bounce come, I'll like to short into it. I'll slowly size in. So I had two positions placed. One was at 417 and then one was at 420. I didn't go full size on it because I wanted to go full size up here, but I didn't get that rebound. I thought Nvidia is rebounding, so would Microsoft would do that. It did some rebound, but not enough. I still got into the position, and let me show you. It just filled my order. My order was just not about to fill. I was even contemplating should I move my position lower, because I had my position placed at my significant level to open the short on this. One position at this significant level and one position at this significant level. However, this thing just kept falling short of it, right? Didn't quite go. I'm like, oh, shall I just open it here? And then I got this green candle, and when I got this green candle, I'm like, oh, looks like this thing is gonna go up. Why did it fill my order? Well, luckily, yeah, it went lower. Otherwise, I was prepared. It wasn't a full position, and I was planning another position at 420 as well. But my first lot got filled here in the short position. So I'm in this short play on Microsoft, and let's talk about what are the targets I'm looking at on this thing. So let's bring it down here. So this is where I am in. Yep, I'm fine keeping the stop loss up there because I'm expecting this thing to do massive moves to the downside. I'm not expecting that low right away, but level by level, let's put this right now at 384. That's where at least I would like to target, but I'll take partial profits out, not just at significant levels, but also at these intraday levels as well, which right now a lot of them are showing up, but don't you worry, my indicator will take care of all of that. All right, here we go. So yeah, so I'll take some partial profits out, not right away here at 412. It's not worth it. 407, and so some size out a little bit. But that's an update on Microsoft, guys. In my opinion, yes, it's going to continue lower. You can see it rejected at that significant level. Rebounds are being rejected. Microsoft is not bullish for me unless and until it's not recapturing 420 this week. So that's Microsoft, my opinion on Microsoft. Apple was going up and now selling off. So let's take a look at this poor thing. This thing is again back down. Pretty much all that spike that came one day, it's all negated. There's yeah, right now it's still in a downtrend. It's yeah, I won't touch it. I took a short play already on this some time ago, right? I don't want to open any other trade on this right now because this thing is just chopping around. But yeah, you can see it broke, lost all those gains that it did, and is below 200 hours moving average. Now it's following the market, everything, right? So yeah, it can continue to low and to this downward bottom of the channel here, this line, trend line. Let's take a look at Google. So Google is selling off. I don't have any play on this right now, but this is still looking up there strong. It's still daily interval is still bullish. I'm not, again, here's the thing. If it breaks 20 days moving average, you can expect this to cool off to the next level below. But let's take a look at hourly interval. I'm tempted to open up a short play, because the whole market is falling. And I have seen this consolidation today after the fall yesterday, and it's getting below 200 hours moving average. Let me put this play here. I might open up a short play here around this area, and let's see if I can target it to the downside. On this stop loss, I'll have at least to begin with somewhere here. But I'll see in the pre-market tomorrow. But this is I'm interested to open. I'm tempted to go in right now in the post-market. But yeah, I'll wait. That's fine. Google doesn't move that much right away. So I'll have plenty of time in the pre-market to take a position on this if it comes in my area of direction. All right, but this is something I'm interested in as well. I'll see if this time it's going to work out. One play was full profitable, second one into my stop loss. Anyways, Amazon cooling off, but it's above 20 days moving average. Now with Amazon, my philosophy has been that if it's above 200 hours moving average, you can try to buy it with a stop loss on the other side. But now since the market has been selling off and Amazon is looking weak as well, I'm interested on a short play, but I'm not, again, I would want to see in the pre-market tomorrow how it does. But this could be potentially a short play. But this would be like, I want to see a break of significant level of 183. And also, I wanted to lose. Yeah, that's the problem, right? Like it's sitting still above 20 days moving average. That's a problem. I don't want to, but I'm tempted, but I don't want to. I'm going to let it pass. It's not, I'm not being confident on this. I'm going to let it pass. I'm not going to take this trade. Even though it's looking really great with the market selling off, I'm tempted. Nah, I'm going to let it pass. It's above 20 days moving average. As long as I'm not seeing that break, I'm not going to take it. If you can do whatever you want, but yeah. Okay, here's the thing. Where's that 20 days moving average? Tomorrow it will be somewhere here already, 182 and 74 cents. It will be already up there, 182 and 74 cents. Here, where it is, somewhere here. Yeah, okay. No, I think there's a chance, but here's the thing. If it breaks 20 days moving average and also loses the level of 182 and 98 cents, I'm opening a short play on this, just my opinion, and I might target the levels down below, but I'm not expecting much from Amazon, just so you know. This thing is very stubborn. Very stubborn. Yeah, this might also need a higher stop loss. Yeah, this is very stubborn thing, guys, Amazon. So I'm not expecting much out of it. Yeah, I'm going to go only small position on Amazon though. Meta, let's take a look at that. So Meta is about to break that trend line. This is also looking great for a short play, at least intraday. I would like it to fully break 50 days moving average as well. Wow, so many short. I don't think I want to take so many short plays because short plays, guys, comes with some cost as well. Because you are borrowing shares, right? There's, at least I trade shares, so there's a borrowing cost as well to the shares. It depends on your broker, right? As well, how much there. Some Some brokers even, again, I don't want to get on the financial side, but there's some are even offers good deals on this. But anyways, it has room to go lower, guys. I just don't want to open short on Meta. I'm just getting out of. I won't have that much capital available. All these expensive stocks, I'm all taking position right away now. But anyways, yeah, this thing has broken the trend line. It has a room to continue level by level lower. This thing tomorrow is an upside play if it gets above 504. Otherwise, it's gonna go lower tomorrow. My opinion, just my opinion. Netflix. So I opened up a short play on Netflix. This thing is still in my area. I did size out very little down here around the pre-market when it started to go up because it was at 50 days moving average. Very little. I'm like maybe just 10% out. It's nothing profit. It's already in running into my stop loss zone. But we have this rejection at 20 days moving average right now. Now tomorrow it's very important that I see a red candle on Netflix. If it gets above 20 days moving average, I'll start sizing out more. Unfortunately, this thing is just refusing to go lower, but I think it will go lower. It's just taking its sweet time. On hourly interval, it's still rejecting 200 hours moving average, so I'm fine right now. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Guys, take care. Bye.